In this video, I'll show you how to add a background on Google Slides. Adding a background in Google Slides is one of the easiest ways to make your presentation look cleaner, more professional, and more consistent. Google's official Slides help says you can change the background to a color or an image, and you can apply it to just one slide or to the whole presentation. First, open your presentation in Google Slides on your computer and select the slide you want to edit. Then go to the top menu, click Slide, and choose Change Background. Google says this opens the background settings window where you can work with both color and image options. If you want to add a color background, look to the right of color and click the color box. From there, you can choose one of the preset colors. Google also says you can create your own custom color by entering a hex code or adjusting the color manually, including transparency. That is useful if you want the background to match your brand, colors, or the rest of your presentation design. If you want to add an image background instead, go to the Image section and click Choose. Then select the image you want to use. Google says you can add an image from your computer or from Google Drive. It also notes that background images need to be a GIF, JPG, or PNG file, and must be under 50 megabytes. Once you pick the background, decide how widely you want to apply it. If you only want it on the current slide, click Done. But if you want the same background style across the full deck, click Add to Theme. Google says that applies the background to the entire presentation theme instead of just one slide. A good tip here is to keep the background simple. If you use a photo, make sure your text still stands out clearly. If the background is too busy, your slide can become harder to read. In many cases, a soft color or a clean image works better than something with too much detail. So the steps are simple. Open your slide, click Slide, choose Change Background, pick a color or image, and then choose Done or Add to Theme, depending on whether you want it on one slide or all slides. That's how to add a background on Google Slides. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.